Do you struggle with keeping up with your laundry? Well, you're in luck because today we are going to talk about 6 tips to organize your laundry here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granok. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field, and I certainly have seen my share of laundry piles when I go help my clients with their laundry. Laundry is the bane of many people's existence. Do you control your laundry or do you feel like it's controlling you? Well, for most of us, laundry is a regular chore that nobody likes and everybody tries to put it off, which only makes it worse. So here in this video, we're going to talk about 6 tips to help make the laundry time more efficient and manageable, starting with assigning a dot for each child. So if you are in a multi-person family situation, you can take a laundry marker and put 1 dot on all the tags of your oldest child's clothing. The second child, second oldest, would get 2 dots, third, 3, and so on. That way, you know just at a glance which clothes belong to which child, in case you were washing more than one person's things at a time. And the great thing about this is that when you pass clothing down from one child to another, all you have to do is add another dot to their tag, and now it lines up with whose clothes it is. Second laundry tip is let the basket be your guide. I recommend using square laundry baskets instead of a large hamper or large rectangular basket because this square basket helps identify when you have the perfect load size. Because when this size basket is full, it's about 1 load of laundry, and that tells you it's time to do a load of wash. Now, if you like to separate your clothes and you like to wash the whites or light colored clothing separately from darker clothing, you could have 2 of these square baskets in each person's room, a white basket and a colored basket. The great thing about using a smaller basket is you are less likely to procrastinate doing your laundry. I've had many clients that would have huge hampers. And one of the reasons why they didn't want to do laundry is they knew that when that huge hamper was full, it was going to generate several loads of laundry. And most people don't want to spend an entire day doing laundry. So if you have one smaller basket that's full, you might say to yourself, oh, I got time to do 1 load of laundry. That's not terrible. So that is the reason behind this strategy. The third tip is to maximize the space in your laundry room. So go vertical, mount a shelf above your washer and dryer, or put a stacked shelf caddy next to the appliances to store some of your laundry supplies, your detergent, stain remover, bleach, fabric softener. You want everything to be accessible and right there where you need it so that it's not an extra step to look for these items when it's time to do the laundry. Store it where you use it and save time. The fourth tip is to plan your loads for maximum efficiency. You could start with a load of laundry that gets washed and dried by machine. And when your first load goes into the dryer, make your second load one with items that you hang up to dry, because that way you don't have to wait for the dryer. You know, with most people, the dryer takes much longer than the washer. By the time you finish washing the third load, the dryer with the first load will be ready to be emptied. So that's a strategy to save yourself some time and keep things moving along. Tip number 5 is really important. You want to practice dryer safety. Never leave the house with your clothes dryer running because a faulty dryer or a faulty lint trap is a potential fire hazard. And of course, remember to clean out the lint trap after every load. That's a pretty thick one right there. And sometimes 1 load could have that much lint, so you really want to be careful. My final tip for this video is to delegate responsibilities. This is, of course, a tip for if you have multiple people in your house. Place the clean clothes in each family member's designated basket, and everyone can come to the laundry room for their basket, or you can put it outside each person's bedroom door. But either way, it's their responsibility to fold and put away or hang up their clothes. It shouldn't all fall on you. All right, I hope that this video has helped you feel a little bit better about tackling the laundry and staying on top of it so it doesn't feel so overwhelming. I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday, so be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.